Good morning, students. The next article, in the last lecture we have seen the potential energy. Today we'll see the units of potential energy. As it is the energy, so the SI unit of potential energy is joule. So 1 joule, we'll see the definition of the 1 joule. 1 joule is the energy stored in moving a charge of 1 coulomb through a potential difference of 1 volt. Right? We are moving the charge. What is the potential energy? That it is the energy stored to move a charge of 1 coulomb through a potential difference of 1 volt. If suppose this is the charge Q, or we'll see this diagram. This is the charge Q, and we want to move this charge, the small charge plus Q, in the electric field of this charge, capital Q. Then the 1 joule is nothing but suppose this is the charge of 1 coulomb. Then 1 coulomb of charge is moved towards the electric field of charge capital Q, and the potential difference is 1 volt. So that is the 1 joule, and the other unit is electron volt. 1 electron volt is nothing but 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So mostly in the numericals, the energy it is given in the electron volt. So we have to convert it in the joule by multiplying it with the 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. 1 electron volt is the change in the kinetic energy of an electron while crossing 2 points maintained at the potential difference of 1 volt. Right? So it is nothing but the kinetic energy. When the charge moves from one point to the other point, this charge, it is moving from one point, this point to this point suppose. Then while moving, the charge acquires, it is having the kinetic energy. That is energy associated with the motion. It is nothing but the kinetic energy. So it is moving, that in the motion it is having the kinetic energy, and to cross the 2 points, the potential difference between that 2 points, it is 1 volt. The next is the electric potential. Electric potential VR is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R. In the last lecture we have seen the formula, this. So it is for the 2 points, that is R1 to R2, it is the moment. So here it is for the point charge, that is electric potential, it is Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R. It is the electrostatic potential of charge Q at a distance R from it. The charge Q, this is suppose the charge Q, it is the electrostatic potential of charge Q at a distance R from it. That is, here the distance is R1 and R2 given, but if you want, if we move the charge through the distance R, then it is the electrostatic potential at a distance R. This is suppose the distance R. Therefore, the potential energy of two charges in terms of the electrostatic potential is given by potential energy. It is equal to the electrostatic potential. Here we have mentioned this formula, that change in the potential energy, it is equal to work done against the electrostatic force. Right? So here this potential energy, it is, we denote it as by UR because we are considering the distance as R, is equal to V1R Q2 is equal to V2R Q1. This V1R and V2R, this is nothing but the potential of charge Q1 at R, and for the second charge, that is the Q2 at R. That is the potential of charge Q2 at the distance R. Therefore, electrostatic potential is equal to electric potential into Q. That we have in the earlier article we have mentioned that it is the work done in moving the charge, that is nothing but the force. So it is the so here we'll use this formula, that is the electric potential into Q. So V is equal to U upon Q. So electrostatic potential difference between 2 points. Here we are considering the single, here 2 points, that is the V1 to V2, that is upper minus lower, that is V2 minus V1, it is equal to final potential energy minus initial potential energy upon Q. that change in the potential energy is nothing but the work done. That is equal to, here this V2 minus V1, final potential minus, that is, this is the potential difference between 2 points. That is, this is the potential at second point and it is the potential at the first point. Similarly, this is the potential energy as the charge is moving from point 1 to point 2. So for the first, it is U1, it is the initial potential energy, it is the final potential energy, upon Q is equal to dW. dW is nothing but change in the potential energy, it is equal to the work done. So that is equal to dW upon Q as it is. So this is about the electric potential. So next we will see the electric potential due to a point charge. So here is this charge. Consider a point charge plus Q at point O. It should be capital Q. This charge Q, it is at the point O. To find the potential due to charge Q at point A at a distance r from it. That is, we are moving this charge. That is, we are moving this charge in the vicinity of the electric field of charge capital Q, which is at a point A and at a distance r from this charge. So what is the potential due to movement of this charge? That we have to find. Then let us see. Electrostatic potential at point A is the work done on the unit positive charge to displace it from infinity to point A, extending OA to infinity. Right? When we are considering in the figure this point, that is the point charge, it is given at the point A, but we can consider it as up to the infinity. So we can extend this point O to A to infinity. That is, we consider OA distance as the infinity. So here, that's why it is written electrostatic potential at point A. This at point A, it is nothing but the potential at this point is, it is nothing but work done on unit positive charge. This unit positive charge to displace it from infinity. This point is considered as infinity to, from infinity to point A. So here this point is somewhere here, and to move this point from infinity to here, or suppose this is the infinity point, or here is the point A, then to move this charge, unit charge, from this point to this point, that is nothing but the potential at that particular point. Now let M be any point on the path. Here on this path, the M is the any point where OM is equal to X. So this will consider. So here this I have written here A, and let M be the any point. So instead of this M, and we will consider this point as N, and this distance it is as dr. So the electrostatic, this we have seen. Consider M be any point on the path. On this path, that this M is the any point. Then this OM, this O to M, this distance is considered as X. Therefore, the electrostatic force on the unit positive charge, on this unit positive charge at M, at the point M, it is given as by Coulomb's law. What is the Coulomb's law? F is equal to Q1 Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r square. That r square is nothing but the distance between two charges. So here we are considering the point charge. So it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is equal to Q upon the distance is x square. This is by the Coulomb's law. For infinitesimal displacement dx from M, that is for the small displacement from M point. So we'll consider this small displacement as this point M to N, that is the R, that is dr, small displacement. So let the small displacement be from M to N, that is equal to this we have taken. I'll write here, I have taken here dx, so we'll write here dx instead of dr. So it is dx. So the work done to move from point M, what is the work done to move from point M to N? The work done equal to this work done, dW is equal to force into displacement. This force, it is minus F into dx. Dx is a displacement, F is the force. This negative sign, it is given as this this, it is acting in this direction and the displacement is opposite direction of the force, right? So as the displacement and force are oppositely directed, so we have taken here the negative sign. So this is the negative sign. Now total work done in moving unit positive charge from infinity to point A, that is from infinity to point A, that we are considering this distance OA, it is extend from this R2 or from dx to infinity. So we are bringing this charge infinity to point A. This total work done will say that is equal to W is equal to that small displacement, this dx. We'll take the integration of this, so we'll get the total work done. So it is F into dx, and this distance is extends from this infinity to R. So it is equal to 1 upon 4 pi. I have written this equation here, that 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, as it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon x square into dx. And the rest is the mathematical part, that we have taken the constants outside. W is equal to work done is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon 0. In the integration we have x raised to minus 2, that x square, it becomes as 1 upon x square is equal to x raised to minus 2 into dx. So this x raised to minus 2 into dx, by solving this integration we have formula is equal to minus 1 upon x. So it becomes minus 1 upon x. This integral, upper minus lower, it will remain same, infinity to R. So q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 1 upon x infinity to R. So this upper integral minus lower integral we have taken here, that is equal to W is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R. As we have this 1 upon infinity, it is equal to 0. So we have this formula, that is this term remaining only, q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 into R. This is nothing but the electrostatic potential at A due to charge q, right? So we can write here this work done in bringing the positive charge from infinity to point A, that is the work done, and that work done is nothing but equal to the electrostatic potential. So we can write here this electrostatic potential is equal to work done, and this formula as it is here R. Now if this R is equal to infinity, if this distance is considered as the infinity, then this q upon infinity, it is equal to 0. Then at infinity this potential is equal to 0. Then the next, therefore the electrostatic potential is 0 at infinity, right? A positively charged particle produces a positive electric field potential, and a negatively charged particle produces the negative electric field. So this point you have to remember for MCQ, that positively charged produces positive electric field and negatively charged produces the negative electric potential, right? Negative electric potential, negatively charged particle, positive electric potential, then positive electric potential. So this is about the electric potential. You can copy this.